Need a dark mode version of your chart? The Flourish Assistant can create one in a single prompt. Here I have a World Cup bracket. If I open the Assistant and type change to dark mode, it updates the chart for me. You can see it's changed the background, updated the text colours, and changed the colours of the boxes. Let's have a look at another example. This is a sunburst chart. I'll ask the Assistant to change it to dark mode. This looks good, but I'd like to turn the text to yellow. I can change this in two ways. If I click here, we can see that Flourish highlights the setting it changed. Then I could edit it manually. Or I can continue the conversation. I'll ask, can you make the text yellow? And there we go. There's a quick way to create a dark mode version of a chart.